Howdy, invaders. I traveled over yonder from California all the way into the country because today is Family Farm Day, and I heard there's going to be some pretty little peaches working these pretty little farms. Let's see if we can play a really quick game for a really quick kiss out here in the country. As always, let's do it. Is this your farm right here?
Yeah, it's my family's farm.
Your family's farm? How long have you guys had a farm?
Oh, like 50 years.
So that's like what? Like your grandpa, right, or something?
Yeah.
Okay, so I saw you and I thought you were totally gorgeous, and I wanted to know if you wanted to play a really quick game for a quick kiss. Are you down?
Sure.
You're down? Okay, cool. How about this? If I can make you laugh, I get to give you a kiss. You down?
Yeah.
Okay, here I go. Tickle always works, right? So, how long have you been working here on the farm for?
About 2 years.
2 years? What's like do you have like a specific job here or something?
Well, I tend to the plants right now. I'm tending this little alum root over here.
Alum root, never heard of that. Well, I was walking down the farm and I thought you were beautiful, and I wanted to know if you wanted to play a really quick game for a quick kiss. Are you down?
Sure.
You're down, okay. Here's the game. If I can make you laugh, you gotta give me a kiss, okay?
If you make me laugh,
If
I
I
have
can
to
make-
give you a kiss. Okay.
Yeah.
All
Okay,
right.
here we go. Made you laugh. Come here. Get rid of this hat.
Oh.
I'm gonna steal you, and we can run away. If writing is a sore subject for you, then definitely check out edubirdie.com. You can choose from hundreds of different writers who are skilled in so many different fields of study. These pros will help you in whatever writing needs you have, from starting a paper from scratch to editing one you already have written. Writing is easier with edubirdie, edubirdie.com.